So finally, after years of human existence, you, yes, I'm talking about you behind the phone, have found the time, very little time, to understand that what is the thing they should stuff in their mouth. I am talking about food. No wrong ideas. Hi, myself Harish Gaikwad. I'm an ex-national medalist in archery, currently pursuing amateur MMA. And today, I will teach you how to exactly, astutely find the perfect diet plan for yourself on your own, of course. And when I say perfect, I mean perfect. You want to look like Deepika Padukone, you can look like Deepika Padukone. You want to look like Ronnie Coleman, you want to look like Ronaldo, you can exactly look like him. You want to look like Arnold Shivaji Nagar, you will look like Arnold Shivaji Nagar. Hands down, I am serious. I would advise you to watch the video completely without skipping, or you would not understand the bro science behind the diet. So talking about diet, what is diet? Did you think about it ever? You, right away, right now, go to the mirror and look at yourself naked. Of course, I want you to undress and see the magic you see in the mirror. Strip for yourself once in your life. What you will look into the mirror is exactly what your diet made you look like until now. So now there is a red pill and there is a blue pill. Do you want to change how you look, or are you very happy about what you're looking like? And if you're not Harish, you will choose the blue pill. That is the you want to change, and that is the reason why you have clicked on this perfect, best YouTube diet video. Diet is basically the amount of calories you consume. It's basically like body's fuel. Like if your body is a car, if you put gasoline in it, it's gonna function. If you put petrol in it, it's gonna function. But you need to understand the energy levels between both of them. The performance of the car is going to vary as per the fuel you put in. So let me give you a very nice example to exactly make you understand that how diet works. All around the world, people have different kind of genetics as per their country, and that is absolutely and utterly because of what they eat and what they consume. So now it is time for you to use your perspicacious mind that what kind of body do you want to have? Is it like a Brazilian person? Is it like a person in Asia? Of course, the genetics make a big difference. But what is genetics? What that Purvaj had, what their ancestors said, that is the only reason why they look like this. So if you want your next generation to look like a Chad, you have to eat like a Chad. Keep genetics out of mind, and let me give you a better example. Let's take the animal kingdom. Let's talk about elephants. Let's talk about cheetahs. Let's talk about lions. Let's talk about monkeys. Everyone has a different diet, and that is the reason they look like that. Now you will be like, Harish, elephant is Giga Chad strong, Ganpati Bappa Moria. But the elephant cannot move very fast. Yes, he is strong, I agree, but he cannot move very fast. The monkey is hard to catch and has a lot of energy. The lion is a beast. He can tear you apart, but he does not move until it's needed. The whole gimmick is about what calories you consume. So the only reason why I showered you with this animal kingdom Mowgli lessons is because I want you to understand that you have to decide how you want to look, and then you can make a good diet plan. Quick tip, you don't have to follow the diet plan of a monkey because you already look like one. Let's get started. I've been a vegan, I've been a vegetarian, I've been a vegetarian, and I've been a non-vegetarian. Lucky me. I said it all because I want you to know that I have also consumed 1000 calories a day, and when I used to compete archery professionally on a national levels, I've also consumed 6000 calories a day. So this is all rooted down to 3 main basic principles of how your diet should be. While I am trying to make you understand how to make the proper diet, I feel like I am that speak well English speaking guy. CK English, Turant. Fix your diet now.
Speak in English. This English coaching, not a local language.
So the food is basically divided into some of the components, that is carbs, protein, fat and vitamins. Firstly, I want you to understand that there is no perfect diet. Every country has a different diet. The people still survive and complete their 100-year mark. So there is no perfect diet. You can have anything you desire.
Oh my God! Wow!
All you have to do is just burn it. So let's start with the all 3 principles. First is you need to understand the amount of calories you need to consume to retain your body weight. Second is the amount of protein you need to consume to retain your muscle mass. And third is the amount of water, vitamins and fiber you need to consume to digest your food. So let's take me as an example. I am currently 73 kgs and I eat 2300 calories a day to retain my body weight. So if I want to push my body weight a little, I'm supposed to eat more than that calories, like 2500, 2600. If I want to degrade my weight, I have to consume lower than 2300 calories and my body weight will start falling. Now, talking about the muscle part, I consume minimum 160 grams of protein a day. 160 grams of protein can come from anything, moong, chicken, eggs, doesn't matter. It should be 160 grams of protein. That is all it matters. Now, let's count that 160 grams of protein is equal to 1300 calories in my diet. So the rest 1000 calories, I can stuff it with anything. All I need to do my benchmark is of 160 grams of protein. Simple. Above that, I can eat ice cream, I can eat gulab jamun, I can eat anything I want. I don't eat that, but I want to tell you that I don't care what I eat. The 1000 calorie mark can be filled with anything as I have completed my protein goal, that is 160 grams. So now after you have figured out the amount of calories you need to consume and the amount of protein you need to consume, now you need to understand the amount of fiber and water you need to retain. You need to consume a lot of water if you are high on protein. If you don't want a muscular body and you don't want to consume more protein, the average 4 liter, 3 liter water mark is absolutely fine. There is a reason whenever you consume fruits and drink a lot of water, you always shit better. So if you want better digestion, yes, you need to consume more fiber, more vitamins and more water. And there are some key pointers you need to ensure are right in your diet plan. Your body takes time to adopt new things, even food. So if you are consuming 50 grams of protein and you directly shoot to 150 grams of protein, of course your body will react. I will suggest you to go slow, increase it day by day, but your body will adapt for sure. Nothing is impossible. You need to understand there are people in some random country consuming 1 kg of chicken at one meal. You have to understand that their body does not react and they have 2 ears, 1 nose and a cute little pinky like yours. There is no perfect diet and your body will eventually adapt. That is how brilliant the human body is. All you need to understand is what is your body goal. Simple. After you're done with your protein intake a day, you eat whatever the shit you want to eat to complete your calorie intake. So obviously you feel different when you're on a veg protein diet and when you are on a whole ketogenic diet. But I want you to understand the main thing, that even the ketogenic diet, the chicken, the fat in the chicken has a lot of fiber and carbs and vitamins, just like the vitamin and fibers in the moong. So it doesn't really matter. All matters is your body needs time to adopt and eventually your body will start adopting things. If you feel that you are having some digestive problems hitting your protein goal, start consuming more fruits and fiber and you will be absolutely fine. And water, of course. So yeah, that is it. You wanted to make your own diet plan? Go on to Google and figure out your BMI, figure out what has how much protein, what has how much carbs, what has how much calories, and yeah, you can complete your diet plan now, finally, successfully. Last tip before you move on to making your perfect diet for your own. Again, there is no perfect diet. Just eat natural, complete your protein count, complete the amount of fiber and vitamins you need, and you're done. And if you want to know how I lost 6 inches of belly fat just in 2.5 months and what I ate throughout the day, that is one meal, then make sure you comment down below one meal and I will make a whole new video on what I ate every day, which got me godly results. If this video added even a little bit of knowledge in understanding the diet better, feel free to show some respect by liking or sharing the video.